Earlier today we had a load of laundry going and the machine kept making some odd error codes with numbers and letters on our display, and it just didn't seem like it was washing really the material at all. It's a really easy fix to avoid a service call. The first preventative item you can do is pull your drawer out, and here you have a drain. It's that white plastic cap. If you pull that cap out, there's going to be a filter element about this big. It was absolutely clogged with dog hair. Went ahead and cleaned that out, replaced it. Now I'm doing a cleaning cycle and we're back up and running. All good to go.